If you're looking to make money online and build a passive stream of income, OnlyFans is something you've probably seen around the internet and wondered whether it's a good option for you. So, what exactly is it, and how do you promote your OnlyFans to get subscribers and make money? OnlyFans is an online social media platform that has been around since 2016, with the idea behind it being to create a platform where creators would be earning directly through their content rather than through ads. The first step is to create your account on OnlyFans. Use the link in the description below to sign up. How does OnlyFans work? When you sign up for OnlyFans, you create a profile as a fan by default. This allows you to view free content from creators, and if interested, you can subscribe to as many creators as you want. Subscribing, however, isn't free, as you are paying a fee to view the creator's content. What is interesting is that the price, or the subscription fee, varies from one creator to another. You don't have a single subscription that opens all content, but instead, you have to pay the subscription fee for each of the creators separately. Considering that this is an adult-oriented website, you'll need to be over 18 and will be required to verify your age. What can be a little tedious is that you need to use a credit card to pay, as alternative payment methods like PayPal aren't available. If you'd like to work as a creator on OnlyFans, you will first need to verify your identity. Additionally, if you plan to make money, you'll also need to add your banking details. OnlyFans has a rather strict policy here, so if you apply as a creator, you'll need to pass a background check. Once you're approved, you can do anything from share photos and videos, to even host a live session with the fans that subscribe to you. Private messaging is another functionality, which allows you to talk to your fans. As a creator, you get the freedom to choose how much you charge for a subscription and for extra content. 80% of your earnings go to you directly, while the site keeps 20%. How do you set up an OnlyFans account? Setting up an account is pretty simple, and rather fast. All you need is your email address and a password. Once you've registered using your email and password, you get to choose things like your username, your display name, and you can even write a short paragraph about you. You can also include a location and a personal website if you have one, and more interestingly, an Amazon wishlist. If you become successful on the site and gain a loyal fanbase, some fans may want to buy you something from your Amazon wishlist as a gift. That's it. There's nothing complicated about creating the account itself. All you need to do now is start posting on your profile after they have approved your user. It can take between 24 hours to 48 hours. Step 2. Promote your account. How and where to promote OnlyFans. When it comes to making money on OnlyFans, you'll definitely want a few tips as far as promoting goes. What's unique about the site is that there is no browsing page. Fans will have to find you through your link directly. If you have a good social media following on any social network, you have a pretty big advantage already. You'll still need to invest your time and be patient when it comes to marketing, but it does help. Marketers have analyzed certain tips and tricks on many platforms that will determine your success. Promote OnlyFans on Reddit. Unless you already have a big social media following, Reddit should be your #1 focus for growing your OnlyFans. Although a more underground and obscure way to promote content, you're going to want to use Reddit. Reddit has NSFW subreddits, forum-like pages, some of which will allow you to post a link to your OnlyFans profile and other explicit images. They're also well organized with forums for specific people who show interest in a certain style or fetish, so you're getting a targeted audience, which is just what you need. Admittedly, getting used to Reddit and interacting with people there might be a bit tricky at first, but it's something that's very much worth it in the end. Another thing that digital marketers have noticed about Reddit is that the user base tends to skew towards high-income males that are educated. If you're in online sex work, you know that they're a desirable audience that certainly tips well too. To make things even better, not only do they have money they can spend, but they also tend to be respectful. You do want to be careful here, though. All the subreddits tend to have different rules. If you want to be successful, you should take the time to learn them and abide by them. Reddit's moderators are usually strict regarding this, and if you break the rules, your post will be deleted and you might be banned before you know it. Get shoutouts on OnlyFans. Another thing in the social media world that helps with promoting is shoutouts. Depending on who does the shoutout for you, it can cost you anywhere from $10 to a few $100s. You'll also want to do a bit of research on who exactly it is that you're getting to do the shoutout. How good is their engagement rate? Are they only going to have your content up for a few hours, or is it going to stay on their profile? These things are important and will be what tells you whether or not the shoutout is worth it. Shoutouts are especially effective because you can find other OnlyFans creators and go, shout for shout, essentially shouting out their profiles in return when they shout out yours. If you find the right creators to do this with, you'll have struck gold, and you might have new followers swarming in no time. Promote OnlyFans on Instagram. The first order of business is capitalizing on the social media following you already have. But here, you'll want to be careful. For example, if you're looking at how to get followers on OnlyFans via Instagram, putting a link to your OnlyFans profile directly might result in your account getting deleted due to its NSFW nature. Instagram has been known to ban these types of creators and content from their platform. To be safe, use a service like Linktree so that your bio doesn't directly link to your OnlyFans page. Promote OnlyFans on Twitter. On the other hand, Twitter is an NSFW-friendly platform. You can even post risque photos and photos that include nudity here if your profile is marked as NSFW. But the smart thing to do here is to use Twitter to tease and entice your fans. This is one of the easiest ways on how to get OnlyFans subscribers because Twitter followers know that they will have to subscribe to see the rest of your content. OnlyFans is also integrated with Twitter, so you can set up automatic tweets when you post something on your OnlyFans. There is another popular method that involves a profile on any other popular cam site. When you're camming live, you increase the chances of coming across viewers who want to see more of your content. The goal is to get those followers to your Twitter account, which as we mentioned is quite tolerant of adult content, and from there, they'll be able to subscribe to your OnlyFans. Promote OnlyFans on YouTube. Although known to be quite a censored and sensitive social media platform, YouTube is another great option to market yourself on. An idea here would be to try vlogs where you talk to your fans, or even a modest lingerie try-on haul or something of the like. With YouTube, you might not be able to link to your OnlyFans directly, but it's another way to make a bit of money with monetization. Here, you can direct your fans to your Twitter, and if you just mention OnlyFans discreetly in your videos, you'll definitely have people who are curious. Promote OnlyFans on Pornhub. Another key to answering the question, how to have a successful OnlyFans, is Pornhub. Yes, this is an adult platform and highly explicit as you very likely know, but that's exactly what makes it perfect for promoting your OnlyFans. You can create trailers for the videos you post on OnlyFans, and being a verified performer there is a great way to get more fans. If you decide to promote your OnlyFans on Pornhub, just be sure you're okay with anything you post there being permanently public, as Pornhub is one of the most visited sites on the internet. Promote OnlyFans on Tumblr. The last social network we'll talk about is Tumblr. There is certainly no shortage of adult content on Tumblr, so if you want to contribute a bit of your own and link those to your OnlyFans, you can start posting there. Similarly to promotion on Twitter, we suggest that you tease your fans and only give them full access via OnlyFans. Step 3. Get paid. How much money can you make on OnlyFans? We already spoke about how to make money on OnlyFans, but just how much can you make if you do things right? Well, the answer here depends on just how popular you are and what kind of subscription fee you charge. While you might be inclined to start off with a high price and post a lot, that would be a mistake, especially if you don't have that much of a following. Instead, you want to play things smart, and grow the number of fans on your profile first. Once you've got fans, you'll be able to use the promotion tips we mentioned earlier and gain even more fans. This is when you should set up the subscription price you actually want and start making good money. It's all a matter of knowing how to promote OnlyFans in a way that's engaging for your fans, instead of just spamming low-quality content everywhere. Once you've got that going, you can start enjoying that extra income before you know it. It takes a lot less time than you think if you play your cards right. Use the link in the description below to sign up. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel.